guys, today I'm gonna be actual fidget trading. So what I need to do is get this board something, and I need a marker. Let me go get one. Okay, I got one. So we're just gonna use this like a screen. And I wonder what she's gonna offer. She's gonna be in here. Oh my god. I can't even. No. And then. Yes, and no. So I got some fidgets, and my mom just put one in my bucket here. I have a lot. So I wonder. Wait. So I'm gonna offer first. Okay. So she offered. I'm gonna offer this. What's your offer? So I wonder what she's gonna offer. She's looking at her. So she offered this tape, and I really want this. I think I'm gonna accept. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. This is not tattoos. She just scammed me. Can I have that back, please? Oh. I got this tape. Going in the fidget bin. I'm gonna try to trade it back. Look, she won't give me my squishy back. Well, you're so rude. She don't want her face shown. So, looks like she's going to offer. So she's offering this mini container, and I don't really want this, so I don't care if she declines. So let's see what I want to offer. I'll offer this game. Accept it. I want you to accept it. Please accept. Okay. She's thinking about it. Ah, you're so rude. She said decline. Looks like I'm a game. So let's see. What am I going to trade? I'm going to trade this because I don't really want it. So, it's like this. Okay. So, what do you have to offer? I wonder what she's going to offer.
She took her phone on up there to Verizon to get it fixed. Instead of going on to McDonald's.
Oh my gosh! She offers this. Can I touch this? because it's my first. Hey, you can touch it. Get scammed. What? Oh my gosh, I just heard she's gonna scam me back. At least I got 2 things. My squishy. And this. I didn't actually know I could break apart. So now she's going to offer. So she's gonna pick a random thing out of the tub. I wonder what she's gonna get. She's offering this, and I really know she said I can't open it, so I'm gonna offer. This glitter. Oh, she accepted! Okay, here we go. Let me see. This is not even fidgets. That's a fidget. That's a fidget. The rest of these are not fidgets. She scammed me. There, here's all this back. She scammed me. Rude. So let's see, what am I going to... Oh my, I'm going to scam her. I'm going to say that there's something in this box and she's going to have to take it. Whatever it is. I'm going to get it. What's it called? So, I'm going to have to... There we go. I'm offering this, and whatever's in this box, you're gonna have to take it. I'm gonna try to get a lot out of her. So she's offering this. Oh my gosh. And that's all. Excuse me, you're gonna need to add. No, I'm gonna have to decline. Come back for part 2.